Hey everyone, Vinayak here. I had purchased the One Audio Pro 10 headphones for my son at a time when online classes were active at full swing, and these headphones surprised me on how clear they were at that price point. And today I have with me the One Audio Pro 50. Let's compare the two and see how they perform and if you should shell out the extra premium for the Pro 50. With wireless headphones becoming the norm, the wired headphones still do give you better sound, so they're not dying anytime soon. And these headphones are now targeting the audiophile crowd. Audiophile grade headphones are generally really expensive, but One Audio are bringing to the market headphones at more digestible prices. Here's the One Audio Pro 50. A nicely designed box. It's quite sturdy. We have the Pro 50 branding here and it supports high-res audio. We also have the tech specs and the box contents listed on the back. Opening it up, we have the audio cables. Two are provided. One is 3.5mm to 3.5mm with a microphone in the cable, and the other is a 6.5mm to 3.5mm cable which is to be used with professional audio equipment. A manual is present, it's well designed, make sure to go through it. And here are the headphones. It comes in this imitation leather bag which has the One Audio branding. And here we are. Wow, the first thing I notice are the bigger cups. It's folded down and needs to be opened up like so. This is the 3.5mm jack and the other cup houses the 6.5mm jack. The rear of the cups have the One Audio logo, and I like the concentric circle design aesthetic, and the sides have chrome accents. The ear pads are thick and they have the accent red stitching on them too. The L and R markings are in a stylized font, and the speakers are 50mm neodymium drivers which are similar to the Pro 10. The cushioning on the headband is just right, and we have the One Audio branding on top, and I love the red accent stitching here too. It gives it a premium look, and it folds down to be easily stored, which is nice. And the clamping force is also very good. The headphones weigh around 263 grams, which is not light, but they don't feel heavy on your head. And the hinge allows for more flexibility of motion to fold and swivel. And the headband is extendable. The mechanism is metal, and the ridges allow for more control. Wearing the headphones, it's quite soft, and the headband also doesn't put any pressure on the head. We have passive noise isolation as they do cover your ears, and the bigger ear pads on the Pro 50 do a better job, I feel. And the Pro 50 is made of premium quality memory foam and also light in weight. This ensures superior comfort while using these headphones. I tested these out with my favorite music on YouTube and also some gaming and movies. There is no distortion even at the highest volume, and it provides much deeper bass, well-marked mids, and the sound stage is wider. I could hear sounds which I was not able to hear on the EXA, which was another favorite of mine. I think I'm going to replace the EXA with the One Audio Pro 50. So this is the quality of the audio via the mic on this headphone. You need to use this cable in order to actually access the mic. This is the 3.5mm to 3.5mm cable, and the audio is directly off this microphone. I have not added any EQ or effects to the recording. I think the voice is clear enough for multiplayer games and also enough for voice calls. This is how the controls work. Single tap for play pause, double tap for next track, and triple tap for the previous track. You can also daisy chain another headphone using the 3.5mm jack for shared listening. So what is the main takeaway between the Pro 10 and the Pro 50? Basically, it comes down to the build quality, premium ear cups, lightweight, and effectively better comfort. And the audio quality is a bit better on the Pro 50 with more accuracy in the highs, mids, and lows. And when you're listening to audio off YouTube or other streaming services, the quality difference is marginal. And if you have a subscription to a high quality music service, then you might be able to tell the difference. Other than that, they just sound similar. So should you pay the extra 1000 rupees for the Pro 50? If you're looking for comfort, the Pro 50 is much better. But as I had said in my review earlier, the Pro 10s are still one of the best budget headphones you can get. So if you're using streaming services, you might not be able to notice the difference, and you can save 1000 rupees. But if you want to use it with professional hardware, especially as the Pro 50s are targeted at the DJs and audiophiles, get them instead. So which headphones do you use? Make sure to comment below. Also make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching, and see you all next time.